Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my cheesy turkey meatball stroganoff. Sounds a bit weird? No, it tastes amazing. Let's get on with it. Right, 500 grams of turkey mince, and I'm going to put in a good 2 to 2.5 teaspoons worth, or tablespoons worth of Dijon mustard, about a good teaspoon's worth of freshly ground black pepper. That can all go straight in, and I'm going to add in about a tablespoon's worth of garlic powder. That can go straight in just like that, and I'm also going to add in about a tablespoon's worth of some onion powder. That can go straight in just like that. Really simple stuff. Alright, that's just going to add a nice little flavour to our meatball. Give that all a good stir around just like that. I'm going to add in 2 grated carrots, finely grated carrots. That's going to go in. And this is a really good tip to how to expand and make more product out of something you don't. So we had 500 grams worth of our turkey mince, and that's a thigh mince, not breast mince. And by adding the carrot, we're going to add sweetness and volume. Right, 2 cups of shredded cheese. Use the cheese of your choice. I'm just using a Mexican blend that I buy from Costco, and I just love this thing. It's really got a bit of a bite. It's got really nice creaminess to it. But stir all of that through. Alright, let's make our meatballs. Ice cream scoop, just a small one, and I'm going to get a teaspoon and just pack that in so we don't have too many air pockets in there, and put that straight onto some baking paper on a baking sheet, just like that. Right, and all we have to do is keep going through, make all these little meatballs using an ice cream scoop. It's a great way to make sure all your meatballs end up being the same size. Now my oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to make sure these balls are really good. I'm just going to roll those between my hands, just like that, really nicely. And it's a good idea to wear gloves on this one because the keratin in the carrot will stain your hands. Alright, so just give all of those a little bit of a roll through, just like that, and they can go into the oven around about 15 to 20 minutes. They don't take very long at all, believe me. Alright, let's get on with our next step. Alright, here I've got a fry pan, and I'm just going to put in 2 knobs of butter, just like that. It's going to be around about 30 grams worth. I didn't say this was going to be incredibly healthy for you, but I tell you what, it's tasty and cheap. Around about 300 to 400 grams worth of mushrooms, just cleaned and quartered. Very simple, and that can go in just like that. A little bit of salt is going to help draw some of the moisture out of our mushroom. Right, just give that a little bit of a salt to taste over the top. Around about a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more, of freshly ground black pepper. That can go in. Okay, and if you haven't tried making your own stroganoff before, wow, I'm going to put in around about 3/4 of a cup's worth of beef stock, maybe a little bit less. That can go straight in. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. That can go straight in as well. And all we have to do now is just give that a little bit of a quick stir through, just like that. Alright, now I'm going to add in around about a tablespoon's worth of smoked paprika, and a little dash more. That can go straight in, and you can see that colour forming already. Around about 60 mils worth of Worcestershire sauce. That can go straight in, and it's going to give us a real nice hearty flavour. Let that simmer for a little while and reduce. It's not going to take very long at all in a pan like that. As you can see, that colour has changed. The thickness has sort of come in a little bit, and it has reduced down. I'm going to put in around about half a cup's worth of sour cream. That can go straight in, and all we have to do is just stir that through. It's going to really lighten this particular nice sauce up, just like that. Now our meatballs are done. All we have to do now is put those meatballs into our simmering sauce, just like that, and before you know it, this thing is going to be almost ready. And it might seem like a little bit of work. It's not. You can cook this off in around about 20 to 25 minutes. Put those chicken meatballs, or those turkey meatballs, in with all that beautiful cheesiness. 2 spring onions, maybe 3 spring onions or scallions, finely sliced. They can go straight in like that. It's going to add a nice fresh flavour to our dish. Give that a quick stir through, and the only thing left to do now is serve it. I'm going to serve this one on some pasta. You could serve it with whatever you'd like. potato, couscous, it doesn't matter. Rice, just get something so it will carry that sauce through. There you go. You've got KP's cheesy turkey meatball stroganoff. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. The comments are great. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something on a weeknight really quick and easy based on an old 70s classic like this one, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll eat my cheesy turkey meatball stroganoff and I will catch you next time. Bye.